Hello, thank you for coming on to Blue Learning. My name is Mike Nava, and I just wanted to take a minute to give a personal message to everybody on my brand new channel. I know I got like 2 followers, but that's okay. I'm just trying to create some content, and let me get into a little bit. I'll try to keep this pretty short, but let me get into a little bit about the channel and why I started it after all of these years. I used to have a podcast in 2005, I think, called East Vale Audio. I don't know if there's even archives out there. There probably are, but and I did that for about a year and a half. It was just me, and I had guests, and I take my little recorder all over town, all over the events. So that was kind of cool. But I did what they call pod faded, where I was getting frustrated because there's like 20 people listening, and I knew that it was an up and coming tech. Little did I know it was going to blow up to what it is today. So I'm not really concerned about the podcasting end of it right now at all. Maybe a little bitterness, I don't know. Um, but anyway, just a little bit about the channel. Um, I am 30 years experience with cybersecurity, with PC repair, with troubleshooting, with in-home house calls, with building rapport and sales and upselling. A lot of it was residential, but a whole lot of it was small business, very small business, from the garage business to maybe 20 or 30 computers. Okay, so that's kind of my niche. I know that's not a sexy niche to people like on LinkedIn, and all the crazy, successful guys on LinkedIn, right? They're all enterprise. A lot of them are. My space was kind of mid, small business, and helping the small guy that maybe doesn't have resources or doesn't have money for a $1,000 router, right? Maybe he's only got what he's got, and he's just trying to get his little business off the ground. That's where I have been living for about 30 years now. Okay, I have been living there in that space, helping the small business guy, helping them with all their frustrations, doing training. Now that I see AI coming, it's here. To these small businesses, it is fast. It's moving so fast, faster than even technology. Routers and Wi-Fi and passwords and all that. That's always constantly moving. But AI is a tidal wave, and I see a lot of small businesses that are not ready for it. I see a lot of employees scared to death that it's going to take over their job, and I want to help them with that. Okay, so I want to be able to be there. Let's do some troubleshooting. Let me bring all my skills, all my experience. I don't know everything, but if there's anything that I can help you guys with, the small business, the stay-at-home mom just trying to get her skills up a little bit, please leave comments in the channel, leave Facebook, text me. My number's out there. Email me. I'll make it pretty easy to get a hold of me, but uh, that's a little bit about why I created the channel. The third reason why um, is because when you're adding, when you're looking for work and you're adding your skills to your resume, they want to see, a website, a showcase. And even though I've got right here, I've got Blue Sky, I point them to. I wanted to kind of give them a little bit of something to see what I can do and kind of see how I'm teaching and what my mannerisms are. There's a lot more polished people out there than I am, but I just try to bring a genuineness and an honesty to everything. So I think that's about it. So please subscribe to the channel and all that stuff. And I'm going to be moving offices, so I'm going to have much more room for lighting and I don't know, maybe some cool stuff along the way. So thank you for coming by the channel, and I appreciate the support.